I have this stack of word cards. I want to see if I can guess every single one of them. I don't know. Okay, I'm excited for this. Let's go! Alright, starting off strong. I know what this one is because I did it the other night. It's a Merlin. I still struggle to identify them, though. Yellow-throated warbler. Didn't remember that. Green-winged teal. Cinnamon teal. Dark-eyed junco. Iceland gull. New gull. Black vulture. Some sort of wren. I'm gonna say marsh wren. Yep. Osprey, easy, my favorite. Roseate spoonbill. Mountain bluebird. Tennessee warbler. Tricolored heron. This is an owl. I forget. Northern. I don't know why northern ruffling swallow is the only thing that's in my mind. It's like northern. I don't remember. Western screech owl. This is a loon. Maybe red-throated loon? No, common hamster. Okay, American bittern. Least bittern. Whoa. Brown creeper. Okay, yeah. Snowy egret. Swallow-tailed kite. Sorry. Honestly, I would have said this is a real one. It's a peregrine falcon? Huh. I'm gonna have to go back to my stories. Alright, this to me looks like a grebe. Yeah, western grebe, but I didn't know which one. This is a Louisiana warbler. Warbling vireo. Heck. Tennessee, western tanager. American bittern. Yellow-billed cuckoo. Brown thrasher. Wood thrush. Size, you guys. This is how many I've gotten right. This is how many I've gotten wrong. I'm gonna keep going. Okay, come back for part 2.